Kombo was locked out of the chamber yet again, even as he pleaded innocence to the to the protracted wrangles at current of the assembly. The speaker could not access his chamber office or conduct the business of the day in the house following the barricading of the doors. According to him, he was duly elected as speaker and had 2 court orders in force barring his detractors from interfering with his official duties.
Yeah. You said in the morning you had session.
I'm not joking. You're going to need it, Carl.
Taringeli. Niatan.
Well, I don't know the reasons because I'm doing my work as faithfully as I should. I went to the chambers today to chair the sitting. On arrival, I found the chamber locked. My office at the chamber was also locked. They have kept the office locked for a long time because the last time I went there, they locked the office and did not want to open. I talked to the person in charge of, there's the caretaker in charge of the offices. He just passed. I told him, open that office. It's as if he did not want to hear what I was saying. He just passed by and went to his office. I waited for members to come, but they were all standing quite far from the chamber. The mace never came and brought the mace from where it's kept. The House leadership came to me and asked me to go for a meeting.
And away from that, former Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero now breathes